Dear students, in this video we shall find the general solution of given differential equation of order n. So problem is solve d cube minus d square minus d plus 1 into y is equal to 1 plus x square. So we have to find the complete solution of this given differential equation. I will call this as equation number 1. So to find the general solution, first we have to find the complementary function of given differential equation. To find the complementary function, we have to consider auxiliary equation. So f of m, that is equal to m cube minus f of m is equal to 0, m cube minus m square minus m plus 1 is equal to 0. We have to find the roots for this. So to find the root of this auxiliary equation, first observe that here m cube minus m square minus m plus 1 is equal to 0. By inspection, we can say that m is equal to minus 1 is the first root. So then we can factorize it. M plus 1, m cube minus m square minus m plus 1. So then simplify this one. First term of the quotient is here m square. So then m cube minus plus m square. So then subtract, we will get minus 2m square minus m plus 1. Again second term of the quotient is minus 2m. So then minus 2m square minus 2m. So again subtract, we will obtain m plus 1. So third term of the quotient is 1. So then it is m plus 1. So therefore m cube minus m square minus m plus 1 is equal to 0 can be written as m plus 1 into m square minus 2m plus 1. So further m plus 1 into, I can write this one as m minus 1 square. So therefore m plus 1, m minus 1 and m minus 1. So root of the auxiliary equations is m is equal to minus 1 plus 1 and 1. So therefore complementary function can be written as y is equal to c1 e power minus x plus c2 plus c3 x into e power x, where c1, c2 and c3 are arbitrary constants. Now we shall find the particular integral. To find particular integral, consider particular integral is equal to 1 by f of d into x. That is equal to 1 by f of d, that is d cube minus d square minus d plus 1 into 1 plus x square. So that can be written as, that is equal to, I will write this 1 by d cube minus d square minus d plus 1 as d plus 1 into d minus 1 square into 1 plus x square. Or otherwise, I can write here 1 plus d, I will write this one as 1 plus d, and here d minus 1 square, that is d minus 1 into d minus 1. So again I will take minus 1 outside from both the term. So then minus in minus is plus. So we will write this one as 1 minus d into 1 minus d into 1 plus x square. So further simplify, that is equal to, I can bring this one to the numerator. So 1 minus d power minus 1, 1 plus d power minus 1, 1 minus d power minus 1, 1 minus d power minus 1 into 1 plus x square. So simplify now, it's 1 plus x square. So for the third derivative this will be 0. So I will expand till here second derivative only. So 1 minus d plus d square. Next, for the 1 minus d power minus 1 it is 1 plus d square. For the second one also same it is 1 plus d square into 1 plus x square. Further simplify 1, I will keep this one as it is, 1 minus d plus d square into, multiply these two now. So we will obtain here 1 into 1 plus d square plus d square plus d cube we will get. So I don't want to write. Plus second d square into 1 is d square into 1 plus x square. So further simplify, that is equal to 1 minus d plus d square into 1 plus d into d is 2 times d plus 3 times d square into 1 plus x square. Further simplify, that is equal to, multiply this here. So 1 plus 2d plus 3d square minus d minus 2d square. Next plus minus 3d cube we will get. So I don't want to write. Plus d square, that into 1 plus x square. So that is equal to again 1 2d minus d. So we left with 1 plus d, 3d square minus d square plus d square. So we left with again plus 2d square, that into 1 plus x square. So that is equal to again 1 into 1 plus x square plus derivative 1 is 0 plus derivative x square is 2x plus 2 times second derivative 1 is 0, second derivative of 2, second derivative x square is 2 into 2, it is 4. 2 into 2. So simplify this one, that is equal to 2 into 2, 4, 4 plus 1 is 5, it is x square plus 2x plus 5. So therefore, we can write the general solution of equation number 1 is, general solution of equation 1 is sum of complementary function and particular integral. So that is equal to c1 e power minus x plus c2 plus c3 x into e power x plus x square plus 2x plus 5, where c1, c2 and c3 are arbitrary constants. Now we shall solve the next one more problem here. So that's all. D power 4 plus d cube plus d square into y is equal to 5x square plus cos x. I will call this as equation number 1. Solve d power 4 plus d cube plus d square into y is equal to 5x square into cos x. I will call this as equation number 1. So first we shall find the complementary function of given equation number 1. So to find the complementary function, we have to consider auxiliary equation is of the form f of m is equal to 0. So here f of m is equal to 0 means m power 4 plus m cube plus m square is equal to 0. Here I will take m square outside. So we left with the m square plus m plus 1 is equal to 0. So as m square is equal to 0 or m square plus m plus 1 is equal to 0. Here m square is equal to 0 means m is equal to 0, 0. By using the formula here we can write minus b is minus 1 plus or minus square root of 1 minus 4 divided by 2. That is equal to minus 1 by 2 plus or minus root 3 I by 2. So therefore the complementary function can be written as complementary function y is equal to, first observe that this repeated root 0 comma 0. So at that time c1 plus c2 x into e power 0x, that is 1 here. So plus for this one now e power alpha x, alpha is minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2x into a cos root 3 by 2x plus b sin root 3 by 2x, where c1, c2, a, b are arbitrary constants. Now to find the particular integral, consider here 1 by d power 4 plus d3 plus d square into 5x square plus cos x. This can be written as now, it is equal to, first part I will consider d power 4 plus d cube plus d square into 5x square plus 1 by d power 4 plus d power 3 plus d square into cos x. I will consider this as 1, this as 2. So first we shall simplify the first one. So consider first 1 by d power 4, d power 3 plus d power 2 it is. So I will take here d square outside. So at that time we left with d square plus d plus 1 into 5x square. So further simplify, that is equal to 1 by d square into, I will write this one as 1 plus d square power minus 1 into 5x square. I will just treat d plus d square itself as some x. So now it is 1 plus x power minus 1 formula. So we have to write. So that is equal to again 1 by d square into. Now we have to expand 1 plus d square power. So upward it must be noted that we have to expand as far as d power 4 in the numerator as d square occurs in the denominator. Observe that we have to expand this as far as d power 4. For the third derivative it will be 0, but we have to expand this one till d power 4 because it is there in it's the denominator, it is d square is there. So d square and d power 4 will get cancelled. So now we shall expand this one, so that we will get 1 minus, now d plus d square I will treat single term now. So at that time d plus d square plus d square power 2 minus d plus d square power 3 again plus d square power 4 into 5 times x square. So further simplify this one. This is equal to 1 by d square into 1 minus d square plus d square plus d power 4 plus 2 times d cube. Next, minus a plus b whole cube formula you have to apply. So by using that we shall get d cube plus d power 6, I will write here, plus 3 times d cube into d plus d square plus, by using this now, d plus d square power 4. So first term only, here I can write d plus d square power square. So by using that we can get first term as d power 4. Next we will get for the each term as a higher order, more than 4 power we will get. So I will just write the first term only, it is d power 4. So now further simplify that into 5 times x square. So that is equal to 1 by d square into 1 minus d, here minus d square plus d square get cancels. So we will obtain now d for 2 times d cube plus 2d cube plus 2d cube and plus here d power 4 it is. So d power 4 minus d cube minus d power 6. Here it is minus into plus into minus here. So minus of, see I have to put one more bracket here. So minus 3d power 4. Next minus 3d power 5 plus d power 4 into 5 times x square. So further simplify, that is equal to 1 by d square into 1 minus d plus 2d cube minus d cube. So we will obtain plus d cube, 2d cube minus d cube as plus d cube from this and this. Next plus d power 4 minus 3d4 d power 4. So it is minus d power 4 and here minus 3d power 5, more than 4 here, here also more than 4 power, so I don't want to write that, into 5x square. So further simplify, that is equal to here 1 by d square, so I will write as it is 1 by d square minus d by d square, that is 1 by d, plus d cube by d square is d, minus d square, that into 5 times x square. So further simplify this one now. So we have to consider now. So that can be simplified further now. So that is equal to 1 by d square into 5x square minus 1 by d into 5x square plus d into 5x square minus d square into 5x square. So that is then we have to solve now. 1 by d square into 5x square. So I will write 1 by d first, then 1 by d into 5x square. So integration of 5x square, that is 5 into x cube by 3 minus integration again here 5 into x power 3 by 3 plus derivative of 5x square, it is 10x minus d into derivative of 5x square. So it is again 10x. So that is equal to again 1 by d, again integration of 5x cube by 3. So that is 5 by 3, it is already there, x power 4 by 4 minus 5x cube by 3 plus 10x minus derivative of 10x is minus 10. So that is equal to 5x power 4 by 12 minus 5x cube by 3 plus 10x minus 10. So that is the particular integral for the first part. Now we shall consider the second term. So second term was 1 by d power 4 plus d power 3 plus d power 2 into cos x. So that is equal to, now we have to find the particular integral for this now. So 1 by, I will take d square outside here. So we left with d square plus d plus 1 into cos x. So apply the formula. A is here 1. So replace d by minus a square. So 1 by d square, replace d square by minus a square. Okay. So replace d square by minus 1 square. So that is minus 1 square. Again here minus 1 square plus d plus 1, that into cos x. So that is equal to again 1 by minus 1 square plus 1. So that is get cancels, and I will write this minus 1 square here it is. So I will write here minus 1. That divided by, we left with here d only. So this one and this one will get cancelled. Minus 1 square. So that is minus 1 only. So I will write that in the numerator. So 1 by derivative into cos x. So that is equal to minus 1 by d into cos x is minus sin x. Integration of cos x is sin x. So therefore, particular integral of given differential equation is u is equal to, we can write the previous we obtained as 5x power 4 by 12 minus 5x power 3 by 3 plus 10x minus 10 minus sin x. Therefore, general solution of equation number 1 is sum of the complementary function and particular integral. So, complementary function was, so here y is equal to c1 plus c2 x into what we obtain plus e power minus half x into a cos root 3 by 2x plus b sin root 3 by 2x, that is a complementary function, plus this particular integral 5x power 4 by 12 minus 5x cube by 3 plus 10x minus 10 minus sin x, where c1, c2, a, b are arbitrary constants.